The Navajo Nation Special Diabetes Program presents another recipe.
Hi, thank you for joining us with the Navajo Nation Special Diabetes Program. Today we are going to make cornbread. Here we have 1 1/4 cup of almond milk and 1/3 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, and 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2/3 cup of sugar. Those are all the ingredients that we are going to use today. And to oil the pan, what I do is I just put a little bit of oil on the paper towel and just go on the bottom and the side of the pan, just like that. Make sure that it's all greased up. We oil the pan and we're turning on the oven to 425. Let it warm up and we'll mix the batter. We're going to do the dry ingredients first. So what I'm going to put in first is the yellow cornmeal and then the all-purpose flour. Mix that, and then I'm going to kind of reduce the sugar. I feel that it's a little too much, so I'm just going to put in about a 1/2 cup. And with our program, we are reducing sugar because we don't want to add a lot of sugar, which leads to problems like diabetes and heart disease. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. And what the sugar does is just hold it together just like a glue, so that's all we need it for. And then I'm gonna mix the liquid ingredient, the milk, the soy milk, and the oil. Mix that. And then pour it into the dry ingredients. And mix it well. On my recipe it says hand mix it, so I'm just hand mixing it. Some people use electric mixer. Make sure there's no dry ingredients. That is dry. Make sure it's all moist. So now we're ready to put it in the pan. Just scrape all the sides off really good. And then pour it into the pan. And spread it out. All even. You can use the blue cornmeal to do this too, But when you do the blue cornmeal, to enhance the blue color, you need to do add like a teaspoon of juniper ash. So you can use any kind of corn. Okay, so that is ready. And we're gonna put that in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. When you insert the toothpick in the middle, it comes out clean. So that way we know that it's done. There it is. Be active, be healthy, prevent diabetes.